In this video, let's talk about how to boost your engagement inside Instagram stories. But first, I want to talk about this. A lot of people think engagement means nothing. It's just a vanity metric. The views, the likes and share, it doesn't mean anything. But check this out. When you have the right type of engagement, you create the right type of conversation, which means more feedback, more people have interest in your brand. And when that happens, you can generate more leads, prospects, and sales for your business. So no, engagement is not just a vanity metric. And now let's talk about different tactics and different ways you can use to boost the engagement in your Instagram stories. The first one is actually pretty simple. Use the polls sticker. Get people involved. Ask for feedback on your new products and services. Use simple questions, and guess what? People love sharing their opinions. So it gives them an opportunity to share their opinion, and it creates engagement on your Instagram stories. And here's a quick example. If you look at this, Taco Bell seasons briefings. How do you like your tacos? Hard and soft. So this is the poll sticker. Super easy to create. Actually, let me bring my phone and I can show you how to create this very quickly. So here we go. That's my phone screen. And let's log in and go to my Instagram. Let's go to the stories. And I'll just bring in a picture or image that I took a couple of days ago. Let's do that. And then all you have to do is, let's delete the date, click on the smiley face icon on the top, and then from here, a lot of cool stickers. And actually, the more you use, it creates engagement. So yeah, just go through this and see what's relevant to your brand, what seems fun. But in this video, we're going to talk about the poll sticker right here. So let's select that, and I'm just going to say, do you like to work outside? So obviously this is just for fun, and that's it. So you can kind of make it big, totally up to you, and then you can add it to your story. Super simple. But like I mentioned, when you use the polls on your Instagram stories, it creates engagement. Now let's look at the next tactic, and it's go live. People love this format of going live. So think about doing different AMAs, ask me anything, live events. If you have live events going on in your business, you can stream live on Instagram Live. You can do different announcements using the Instagram Live. And one tip I would give is, if you're planning on doing Instagram Live, let's say tomorrow at 3 p.m., make that announcement, announce that to your email list, announce that on your Facebook, Instagram, and all of the social media channels, so you can set the expectation and you can tell people to go check you out when you go live. The next one is do Instagram collaborations or story takeovers. So not a lot of people do this, but you can invite someone to do your stories, or you can go create stories on someone else's account. What you have to remember is to make sure the audience is relevant. If you have a business account, you want to collaborate or do a takeover with someone who has the business audience. So audience on both accounts need to be relevant. And then obviously make sure, if you're doing a story takeover, let's say tomorrow, make that announcement ahead of time so people know what to expect. And next one, a couple of simple engagement reminders. Just be you and creative. One of the things that I really love about Instagram stories, you do not have to be, you can be super real. You can create the content on the fly. The content disappears after 24 hours, so you don't have to be super polished. So just be you and creative. Use emojis, GIFs, stickers to make your stories more engaging. And just ask the audience. So if you're not sure about something, if you typically do the product videos and now you want to do some live, so just ask your audience, hey, what do you think about these two formats? Which one do you like more? And then, last thing I want to point out, all of these are features of Instagram or Instagram stories. And you know what history has taught us, all these social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, they do change from time to time. So these features exist today, they're gonna evolve, and maybe we'll have new features or different features in future, but the concepts will always be the same. If you want to create engagement, ask your audience, test different polls, test different formats, videos, images, location stickers, hashtags, and then pay attention to what's working on your account, and then continue doing more of that.